This is Emakaya Podcast.
CVL, the principle from
This
hip-hop.
is Emakaya Podcast.
Between 2000 and 2015, there was a time whereby hip-hop, even in the whole country, it became a standard even nationally, whereby you can go with Joburg and be signed as a hip-hop artist and make money out of it. So, Tina in this side, we remain the same, having that zeal, nala heart in the mouth. We still have the same motive that we had in the beginning. So meaning even in 30 years from now, the beauty is even technologically we have podcasts like this now. Meaning if I can you see I didn't have this privilege
before
10 years back. But so meaning now 10 years ahead from now, hip hop it will be in another level for sure. Because Tina, we've been working in Ekati, no Koko. We never had the opportunities. I said those
and getting ngqeqeshela insimi ngqeqeshela ngezandla ukone drones
siqeqeshela ngezandla zethu.
nansi into ethi qatha. Hype magazine I think also played a role kumculo where South Africa.
Absolutely. I remember through the brothers ezinculana zekukhulekana, I think uyakhim. I remember they mentioned it happened once a PE whereby a hype mag, I think it was ran from Joburg if I'm correct. We have also at that time at that time hip hop was in its prime in SA. Hip hop in SA, Kokolo Pro Kid, Proverb and everyone. So I think there was an opportunity whereby there was an Eastern Cape version kind of like issue. Wasn't going to be Puma was monthly. Yes. So brothers, they did submit songs. I think I'm that submitting them at that time, but Namkulu have been about truth and not compromising for so long. I think they heard the song there. My song was too fire. You know, but the beauty is the one that has kept me mentally to be strong as I am even today. So PE did get that exposure, we hype mag that they can compile a seat. I think Pumala City, but I didn't make it. But I was happy that at least I was happy for the fact that even the Eastern Cape in general get recognition from Joburg, whereby Joburg, hype mag, we stand at Telikuso, Iniki opportunity PE is showcase. That was top. Nobody didn't get echo on the CD, like when the mag, but it was top for us. About that, my own people were there. About that was the collective generation. We hip hop whereby into I call as an individual. We individual, we solo artists. Puma from the communal brotherhood. So hip hop in Krume from that level of his innocence as a collective. That's why we had the social movement. So that has been the mindset that has been driving me. Even if I don't make it, if ATP makes it, we on.
Tell me, singokolile nange FM.
Okay.
How did inqubo kaLucky's abahlala bangalala lapho kuwayidlala khona umculo we hip hop
is Khalamu?
Did it help you as artist?
It was it was one of the cornerstone shows for our game. Sasingalali mkhuluwa singayazi tomorrow, because I remember show like it's not like 10 to 12. We don't know how we're gonna go back home. Sometimes we will sleep somewhere, I don't know. Sometimes we will rap our own way to Pozakumbulaba. Yes, the SABC station is a clinicas. So we'll have to walk back to town by foot. Say rap and maybe there's one of us on their friends, this is student, some but they show kids and Kulu, I don't wanna lie. It played a major role to our art form, especially on the SAPC studio. Because hip hop, even at that time, Kukula resistance, but the brother was able to put us on the line. We are about to be able to fight for us and try to convince that no, hip hop so Kumbula people will sit mkhulu bangalala abantu
ngomnye wabo
bangalali mkhulu
abahlala bangalali
so it was one of those things I remember even my songs raised queries in the studio, in a radio station.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, the radio station managers would hear my song, but yes, he got confronted about my song personally.
Yeah.
You know, but if the brother is strong,
Yeah.
you know, and I understood him, so we were able to adapt, yeah, boy, and use certain concepts, and you know, but I don't wanna lie, like he's played a major role in the art form, like yes, the Eastern Cape, not just the PE, but the Eastern Cape.
Eastern Cape as a whole.
Even in Cape Town, I remember Uzukando,
Yeah.
Uzukando,
Yeah.
Uzugqibo noZanzolo.
Yeah.
Most people know where they are via the show. Uzugqibo noZanzolo. There was a song that was always played in Lucky. So Lucky's was always a kind of like a door opener for a lot of artists. You know, maybe his name is not showing up now, but that brother played a major role when it came to the Xhosa rap.
Do you think iyazi bekhona ishow enophindi bekhona SABC caterishela for i-artist, the hip hop, the poetry?
I think it can be due to the fact that hip hop, I think you need to have a presentation, Nkulu. Yeah, but it will depend on how it's presented to the management. Yeah, but because I believe the radio stations are about development of our people or the listeners. So you only know, I believe you have a presentation. For him, even in the beginning, to put it there, it's because of how maybe he might have presented it in the beginning. Yeah, but hip hop is messianic, Nkulu, is a leadership music. Yeah, but wherever it goes, it always finds a way to penetrate. Even as a state, it underwent difficulties. Recording companies try to dilute sponsorship, paying artists to fill up, to do gun rap, trying to dilute. But the right hip hop today, as we speak,
It's like, oh.
that's what I'm saying. So that's why in India, and I feel about high rate and come on, go cookie podcast, so they're making our job easy. You know, yeah, so yeah, but the radio did play a major role, especially SAPC, they did play a major role.
Let's go fast forward size ku-CVL,
Yeah.
the principal. Simkile khule kani
Yes.
sisivile ibanga ubusy intoni, how did it started ke ngokujeni ka-CVL?
UCVL, as I was a member of the crew, most people know me as Prince. So, as a group, artists, Yakim started doing his project, Oheb did his own project. So I didn't do my project when I was an individual, So I felt like I still needed to work on something about myself, because I had to study the music journey, music journey. Like, it's not all about how fast I go in the music, it's about how can I last long. My mind was rotating around there. So for like, okay, with hip hop, kukwe element to knowledge of self. So meaning the more you know yourself, the more you understand and develop certain habits about yourself in life, these principles can be able to keep you from certain things and be able to run this race, because it's a long journey, So I took time. That's how I developed with discipline. I felt like, okay, if I can develop the lifestyle, the philosophy about life in general, as a hip hop, in inspiring our knowledge of self, no funda, history, Africans, other Xhosa, how did they establish civilizations? Why Britain fought Xhosa's 100 years? When the Xhosa's is special guy, it's the knowledge of self. Something about the Xhosa's, it's a concept for another day.
Yeah.
So through that, then I developed the Aman CVL. If I can groom myself and be able at the right time, then I start doing my own music. Now, as I said, always find a resistance to certain places, because siphila kwixesha whereby inyani ayithandwa ncam. Yeah, so but I've managed to release a project 2012. I did a tour for 7 years out of my own pocket. I was named King of Hip Hop twice at Joburg. I've been there. I've been back to the city. Most the big platforms of the hip hop. I've been there. I out of my own pocket, out of my own money, Then I was able to say, okay, after that tour, okay, let me retro back, work on the album. So I'm working on my album now. So there will be an album that will be coming out. I did release 2 songs last year, like single songs. So abantu bakuthi, they can search me as UCVL. On YouTube, you can get the music videos. There are 2 music videos already as a choreographer, live performances, just to have the idea of what I'm doing, you know. Yeah, so currently there is a project that I'm working on. Probably in the next 6 months from now, it will be coming out.
Cool. Ndikubona unxibe udiscipline ngaba yi-label yakho
Yes, so discipline started as a lifestyle